your bath isn't always easy. That's why we have the perfect solution for you. First, you need an electric screwdriver and a scrub brush. Make sure to rip the scrub from the brush, like this. And after, all you need to do is fix the screwdriver onto the brush. To make sure you don't scratch your bath, better use double. With a hot glue, you can stick them together. There you go, ready to be used. Now spray on your bath where it's dirty and scrub. So effortless. Perfect! Are you always afraid to slip on your carpet and break your neck? Well, I say no more. All you need is Velcro. Cut the Velcro into 4 pieces, like this. And now stick them on the 4 corners of your carpet. Three more to go. To make sure they're well aligned, you can stick them both on the floor, like this. Now you won't slip anymore. Do you want your washroom to smell really good? Well, I have a little tip for you. All you need is an essential oil, and you can put a little bit of drops onto the cardboard tube, like this. It smells so good in here. Is your shower head dirty? All you need is vinegar. Put some vinegar into a bag like this, and then fix it onto your shower head. To make it more solid, use an elastic. And after a couple of minutes, you can take it off. All clean! If you're in the mood to make your own natural body wash, this is what you need. Castile soap, raw honey, essential oil, and melted coconut oil. Drop 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you want. Now, 1/3 of a cup of honey, this is gonna be good. Make sure to take all the extra from the cup. No time for wasting. And now add the Castile soap. I used orange essential oil. Let me know in the comment what you think is best with honey and coconut. Once this is done, you can start mixing. Mix it for about 2 minutes. It smells so good! Make sure the ingredients are perfectly blended. Now you're ready to fill up the bottle. This soap can be used as hand wash as well. It's so soft. My hands are gonna be so smooth. Do you take long showers and sometimes get a little bit bored? Well, no more. Now you can watch TV. Or should I say Netflix? All you need is to stick 3 hooks like so. Put your iPad in a plastic bag. Or a Ziploc if you have one, and slip it onto the hooks. There's no way this is gonna fall. There you go. Now you can watch Netflix in the shower. You want to make your bathroom smell fresh? I have the perfect homemade decoration for you. To start, you need a rope, which you can tie like this. Now stack the cinnamon stick all around the candle. Make sure you stick enough so that it's really tight. Now place the rope so that the cinnamon sticks are solid. Just place it on a plate and decorate. It's super easy and so pretty. Now light it up. How nice is this? Don't you hate it when your soap dish gets all dirty and sticky? I know I do. That's why I have a tip for you. All you need are a couple of elastics. Place them on each side of the soap dish. If your soap gets smaller, you can use an extra elastic and place it in the middle. Like this. So much better, isn't it? And it's so easy to grab. Does your kid have a hard time to reach the tap? Well, I have a tip for you. All you need is scissors and an empty bottle. Cut the end of the empty bottle like this. And then take off the cap. Now it became a tap extender. It's so much easier for your child. Is your hand towel always out of reach? I know what to do. All you need are magnetic hooks. Now place them under your cabinet, like so. Make sure the hooks are aligned. And now place the bar onto the hooks. Now you can place your towel right behind your sink. You made your very own hand towel holder. So simple. If you like our hacks and DIYs, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any good ideas, please comment below.